Friends, UPSC Prelims is 2.5 months away. Keeping this in mind, at Sarat Chandra IAS Academy, we are conducting 5 free open mock tests, all India mock tests, which will have all the ranking also. You can avail this test online or offline by using the QR code or the link given in the description below. So these 5 tests, each of them consists of hard questions like full length UPSC paper 1, Prelims paper 1, and we ensured that the question paper is as per the 2023 Prelims standard, not only in the pattern of questions but also in the composition, made by history, geography, economy, polity, environment, SNT, current affairs, static, dynamic types of questions, everything proportion wise also. We ensured that the paper is like 23 pattern to 23, and also difficult type questions. The percentage of questions are very easy, moderate, difficult, unsolvable questions which you have to use elimination techniques, which you have to guess, multiple statement based, pairs based, map pointing, everything has been taken care. All the 5 tests are in that format. In the first exam is over in the month of February, which you can write once again, and second exams are March 10th, then April 1st, April 28th and May 12th. Anyhow, you can find the complete schedule along with all the ranking after the examination in the link given below in the description. We are providing it for free so that most students can write it, so that the all India ranking will be more realistic. You can find where you are. So prepare well, and we hope this test series will help you to better your preparation, to create a better mindset for the present UPSC pattern. All the best.